aggression on defense. So that's why nakakuha ng momentum yung UP. So I need to reshuffle FBU. I need to reshuffle right away the players para makakuha talaga ng right combination. So good thing yung mga nire-reshuffle kong mga players nag-step up. So especially these two guys na hindi kailangan kunin yung bola, hingin yung bola. So yung mga little things naging into goal para sa amin. So very crucial for us this win dahil mabigat yung kalabanan namin next week. So hopefully we will become ready right away. Alam naman natin kung ano yung kalidad ng kalaban namin next week. So we need to prepare. So big boost for us this win, confident para on Wednesday.
Omar, 60 points, 9 rebounds, 2 steals, 1 block. So yun nga, sabi ni Coach Jeff, those little things that carry you to victory. So what can you say about your hard work in the game to lead and to victory?
I just stick on the game plan and what's my role, because in the first quarter I tried for 2 shots. It was pull me out and remind me what's my role. And once I stick on that, yeah, that's why I scored 16 points. Like without asking the police or forcing anything, just doing my role, just explain, help my team on the defense, getting those rebounds. That's why we.
Thank you, Jolo. You had 30 points, 2 assists, 9 rebounds, 1 steal, 1 block, and plus 18. So yun nga, yung nagawa niyo manalo kahit nakahapon yung FP sa third quarter. So ano yung mga lessons na tutunan niyo para moving forward, hindi maulit yung mga ganyung sitwasyon, especially sa mga sa escape yung mabigat?
Siguro parang more on decision making namin na less turnovers kasi kasalanan din naman namin kung bakit nakaabot yung nag-run yung FAU kanina. So siguro mas ang tawag dito parang mas magandang decision making yung gagawin every time na kung sino may hawak ng bola and kung sino mag-finish.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is open.